Okay, in this video I'd like to explain my expectations for discussion post. So here we are in the week 10 module. You can see you have one discussion post for this module. These will vary. I'm expecting most of them for this course to be, how to say it, optional, but yet required that you complete at least two during the course. So you don't have to complete this discussion post, but you will at some point in the course need to choose two to respond to. So my thought is I really want you sharing your work with others, and I want you trying to process and understand how other people are thinking about problems, especially if it's different than yours. So in this week's lesson, you'll see there's two opportunities for you to share your work. One is with class activity 9A. There was some problems from 2 through 5. These were actually, I don't want to say easier, but less involved. And so this might be a good one to start with if you are a little hesitant to share your work with others. If you're comfortable sharing your work with others, I'd encourage you to focus on the high five problem. This one's a little more involved and might take a little bit more explanation. So what I'm really looking for is different solution strategies. So I'm not looking for you to present a strategy that someone else has already presented. So first thing you'll want to do is basically work these problems yourself and then take a look at what's already been posted. If your strategy hasn't been posted, then go ahead and prepare either a video or a written solution guide to explain what you did and your work. Now, a written solution guide would require some, writing out words to explain your thinking process. We want more than just your work there. Um, Once you have that, go ahead and create a post in the discussion board. I think you just click the reply button. Would like you to give it a title so that when we look at it, we can see right away what problem number you're doing. So it might just say class activity 9A number 4, or it might say high five problem. And then put a colon and give a name for your strategy. So for the example I'm giving, if you get into class activity number 5, in the video I talk about the way I looked at it, and I would just call it the triangle strategy. There's no special trick to naming, just give it a name that you think makes sense. So hopefully that explains what I'm looking for in the discussion post. There'll be a number throughout. Most of them will be optional, but of those optional ones, you have to complete at least 2 of them. You're welcome to do more than that. Let me know if you have any questions about posting in the discussions.